To safely remove USB memory connected to the TV, I recommend that you press Input button on the remote, and when you find it, click Eject. You can now remove the device safely. Alternative way is through Home Hub. You can click on it right here, or you can long press the Input button. When you see the memory, click on it, and here you will see additional information about the connected device, as well as Format and Eject buttons. You press OK, and you wait a bit, and when the device is safely removed, you won't no longer see it listed anywhere. And that's it. Thanks for watching.